Okay.
There's a wasp! Let's get out of here right now.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Our Gold Road and welcome to this week's Good Time Tuesday. In this video we are going to be reinstalling the sofa. This shirt should give you an idea of what color it is. If you've been following our Instagram feed or our stories, you saw that Donna showed you what color our couch is going to be. Well, it's all upholstered now and we're going to reinstall it.
If I'm heads with this coin, if I'm heads, I get to have your phone until it dies. And if you're tails, you get to have your phone until it dies. Ready?
Yeah, flip it right here. Get down here.
Okay. Hold on, I didn't flip it. Okay, don't think that counts. Whoop! Oh.
That's good.
Man, I never get to listen to music.
You can take my phone, it's not working for me anyway.
So I don't think we're taking Sadie to Big Ben.
No. She's gonna stay at Teresa's.
How come not Nana and Papa's? Teresa doesn't have a dog.
So, she's a cat.
No, we are not taking Sadie to Teresa's. She's gonna bark and it's gonna be annoying. She's gonna bark all day and night.